Exercise 12.2, first question. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeters if the angle of the sector is 60 degree. So we have sector whose angle is 60 degrees, circle's radius is 6 centimeters. Easy, direct question. Area of sector is equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Theta is 60 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into 6 square. On solving this, we get 132 by 7 centimeters square. Question 2. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeters. So this is a circle. Quadrant means quarter circle. We already explained in the beginning of the chapter. The angle here is 90 degree. They have not given us the radius, but they have told circumference of the circle is 22 centimeters. Circumference of the circle is 22 centimeters. 2 pi r is 22 centimeters. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 22 centimeters. So now 22 can cancel. R is equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. So now we know radius is 7 by 2, and we know this angle is 90 degree. Can we find the area of the sector? Yes, we can. Area of the sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta 90 by 360 into pi 22 by 7 into r 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. On solving this, we get 77 by 8 centimeter square. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So first you need to understand how the clock works. 12, 1, 2, 3 and so on it goes on, right? In 1 minute, the minute hand will move how much? Minute hand is a longer hand. Minute hand is a longer hand and the hour hand is a smaller hand. We are referring to minute hand here. The longer hand, it's almost equal to the radius. So therefore we can say this is nothing but the radius itself of the clock. The minute hand length is nothing but the radius. This angle, how much does it sweep in 5 minutes? We need to know the theta. First of all, understand in 1 minute, how much does the minute hand move in 1 minute? In 60 minutes, minute hand moves how much? Minute hand moves 60 degree. The minute hand moves 360 degree. Therefore, in 1 minute, or if we want 5 minutes here, we'll directly do for 5. In 5 minutes, minute hand will move how much degree? We can find that is nothing but the theta. So theta is 5 into 360 by 60. 1s are 6 are. So theta here 5 into 6, 30 degree. So now we have a theta, we have the radius 14. Can we find the area swept? Yes, we can. Area swept is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 30 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. On simplifying this, we get 154 by 3 centimeter square. Question 4. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters subtends a right angle at the center. So we have a circle here. There is a chord of a circle whose radius is 10 centimeters. This chord subtends an angle. Subtends means at the center, it subtends 90 degree. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major sector. First we will go for minor segment. Minor segment means this region, right? Chord and circle, minor segment, this whole thing will be the major segment. So first we will find out the area of the minor segment. What is area of minor segment? Area of minor segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. To find the area of sector, easy. This is minor. Because they have told minor and major in this question, we will write minor, major, minor, major. If they are only giving one kind of sector like minor, then no need to keep saying minor, minor, minor. Theta by 360 degree into pi r square. 90 by 360 into 3.14 into 10 square. On simplifying this, we get 78.5 centimeter square. Now you have to find the area of triangle. Area of triangle AOB. See, this is 90 degree. In a right angle triangle, this is only the base, this is only the height. You can say this is base, this is height, or this is base, this is height, right? So here in this triangle we have a 90 here. So I will take this only as base and this as height. Clear? So half into base into height, half into 10 into 10, 50 centimeters square. So now we can find the area of the segment. Area of the minor segment is equal to area of sector, minor sector minus area of triangle. Area of minor sector 78.5 minus area of triangle 50, you get 28.5 centimeters square. The next thing that's asked in the question is major sector. Area of major sector. You can go for full circle minus minor sector, or you can go for the other angle method. I'll go for the other angle method here because we have already seen area of full circle minus sector. So to help you get familiarized with it, I will go for the other angle. What is this angle here? 360 minus 90, that is 270, right? So I can say that angle, that new angle, so theta of the major by 360 into pi r square. 270 by 360 into 3.14 into what was the radius? 10 square. On solving this, we get 235.5 centimeters square. Question 5. In a circle of radius 21 centimeters, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. So we have a circle, this is an arc. Let's take this is the arc. It subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of the arc. Area of the sector formed by the arc, area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Length of the arc is just this AB. Okay. Area of sector is this whole thing AOB. Then they are asking you to find the area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. This arc's corresponding chord is nothing but this. So they are asking for this segment also. So the first part is easy. Length of the arc, theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Since they are not told to take pi r 3.14, stick to 22 by 7. So 60 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r. What is the r? Radius given in the question is 21. Solve this and see what you get the answer as. Similarly, for the second part, area of sector. Theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta 60, by 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. Solve this and we'll verify both of this and then we'll go for the third part, segment. So we get this as 22 centimeter and this as 231 centimeter square. Now let us go in for the area of the segment. See, how do you find the area of the segment? Area of sector minus area of triangle. Now when it was 120 degree, we learned how to find the area of the triangle. What did we do? We took this 120 degree, we dropped a perpendicular. We proved that this triangle is congruent to this triangle. So this is 60, this is 60. Then we used trigonometry to find this side and this side, right? Not the radius. This side and this side. So this became the height and this became the base. You can do the same technique for the 60. So what will you do? Same way, drop a perpendicular, then prove that these two triangles are congruent. So 30, 30. So then find this side length, half into base into height. This is one technique, but it's a little long. Since this is an equilateral triangle, why equilateral? This is 60 degree and these two sides are equal. Therefore, this angle has to be equal to this angle. X plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. You will find x to be 60 degree. How do we do this? So, in triangle AOB, angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Angle OAB is equal to angle OBA is equal to 60 degree. Why? Because OA equals OB. Therefore, I can say triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. I am only writing it in this sum. I won't be doing it in every sum, these steps. I will directly be saying this triangle is equilateral. Since this triangle is equilateral, we know the area of an equilateral triangle formula is given by root 3 by 4 a square, where a is the side. So, I am going to use that here. Area of the triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 a is 21. On solving this, we get 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. Is this the end of the problem? No, because we need the area of the segment. Now, area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector was 231 minus 441 root 3 by 4. So, I can take 21 out. I have 11 minus 21 root 3 by 4. You can also take this 4. So, it becomes 21. 44 minus 21 root 3 by 4. 21 by 4 into 44 minus 21 root 3 centimeter square. You can stop here after taking 21 common. Question 6. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeters subtends an angle 60 degree at the center. We have a chord that subtends an angle 60 degree at the center, given that in the question the radius is 15 centimeters. Find the area of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. We'll first find the minor segment, then pi r square minus minor segment is major segment. So, very easy. It's an equilateral triangle. So, we will directly use root 3 by 4 a square. You can also go in for the RHS congruency method and find base and height and use half into base into height. Absolutely correct. This is shorter, so I'll be using that. O, A, Y, B. So, before you go for a segment, you have to find out the area of the sector, right? Sector and then triangle. So, area of minor sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta 60 degree by 360 into 3.14 into 15 into 15. On solving this, we get 117.75 centimeter square. Now, let's go in for the area of the triangle. It's an equilateral triangle, so I will use root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 into 15 square. Root 3 here is 1.73. They have given it in the question, so you have to substitute. Because they have given it in the question, you have to substitute 1.73 by 4 into 15 square. On solving this, we get 97.31 centimeters square. So now we can find the area of the minor segment. Area of the minor segment is therefore area of minor sector minus area of triangle. Area of minor sector 117.75 minus 97.31. We therefore get 20.44 centimeter square. Now you have to find out the area of the major segment. Area of major segment is equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of circle pi r square minus minor segment 20.44. Pi r square is 3.14 into the r, which is 15 square. R is 15 minus 20.44. This if you multiply, you will get 706.5 minus 20.44. On solving this, you get the area of the major segment to be 686.06 centimeter square. Question 7. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeters subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. We have a chord that subtends 120 degree at the center. Radius given is 12 centimeters. So area of sector minus area of triangle. Now the question here is, how do you find the area of triangle? We already did this in one of the example problems, right? We divide this, draw perpendicular. I hope you remember. Okay. So first we'll do it stepwise. Area of sector. Area of sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 120 by 360 into 3.14 into r 12 square. On multiplying, we get 150.72 centimeter square. Now in order to do the triangle, first we have to prove that these two are congruent, right? So first step, write down, draw OM perpendicular to AB. Next, OM equals OM common. OA equals OB radii. Angle OMA equals angle OMB equals 90 degree. Why? Because we dropped OM perpendicular to AB. Therefore, I can say OAM is congruent to OBM. Why? RHS congruence. Because of this, angle AOM is equal to angle BOM. If these two angles are equal, this has to be 60, this has to be 60, therefore this is 60 degree. Next, AM is equal to BM. CPCT. Both of this is because of CPCT. So now in that triangle we can therefore apply trigonometry and find the sides. Let's do it. So in triangle AOM, I want AM and OM. So we'll do it one step at a time. 60 degrees here. Sine 60 degree is equal to AM by OA. Root 3 by 2 is equal to AM by 12. AM is equal to 6 root 3 centimeters. Similarly, cos 60 degree is equal to adjacent OM by hypotenuse OA. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, OM is what I want and OA is 12. OM is 6 centimeters. AB is equal to 2 times AM. AB is equal to 2 times AM. Why? Because AM is equal to BM. Why? Because AM is equal to BM. Therefore, you can say this is 2 times 6 root 3, which is 12 root 3 centimeters. I can therefore find the area of the triangle. How? So, area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. Half into base is nothing but 12 root 3 and height is 6. 1s are 6s are. 6 into 6, 36. 36 root 3 centimeters square. Now to find the area of the segment, area of minor segment or just segment here because they have not asked for major, area of sector minus area of triangle. What is the area of the sector? We already found the area of the sector 150.72 minus. So in the question they have given root 3 is 1.73, so you have to put this in decimals. You get 62.28 centimeters square. Now substitute the area of triangle here 62.28. On subtracting you get 88.44 centimeter square. Question 8. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meters by a 5 meter long rope. They have given the diagram there. To explain the diagram I am going to redraw it here. So we have a square field of 15 meters length. We have a horse whose rope is 5 meters. So if that horse wants to graze, it can graze anywhere in this region. Agreed? More than that the rope will not go. What is this angle here? 90 degree. It's a quadrant. Okay. Find the area of the part of the field in which the horse can graze. That is nothing but this field. The increase in grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5. So let's make this rope now 10 meter long. So if I make it 10 meter long, this will be the new rope and this will be my new grazing area, this whole part. But they only want the increase in the grazing area. So they only want this part. Understanding? So how do we do this problem? Easy. First part is easy. Find the area of AOB. Second part, find the area of POQ. That's the whole grazing area of 10 centimeter long rope. 10 meter long rope. But I don't want the whole thing. I want only this. So area of the whole thing, big sector minus this part. Agreed? Very easy question. You have to just understand that you have to subtract the two. So pi they have told to use as 3.14. Let's begin. So for the first part, area of original grazing, right? So area of sector formula. So we can just use the formula, write down area of AOB, theta by 360 into pi r square. 90 by 360 into pi. What is pi? 3.14. R 5 square. On multiplying we get. So this is initial grazing. Don't forget to write that. Yeah. On multiplying this we get 19.625 centimeter square. Now we have increased the area. So area of grazing, full field. So this is POQ. Same, theta by 360 into pi r square. 90 by 360 into 3.14 into 10 square. On multiplying this we get 78.5 centimeter square. So now what will be the area of the increased grazing? Area of full grazed, that's POQ, minus area of the initial graze AOB. POQ 78.5 minus 19.625. On subtracting these two, we get 58.875 centimeter square. Question 9. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. Brooch is those fancy pins that people wear on saris or anywhere. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. I am just going to redraw this diagram for simplicity's sake. We have a brooch who we have lined it with silver lining outside. Then we have divided with 5 diameters. Is it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So we have divided it with 5 diameters. Find the total length of the silver wire used. So this yellow part is the total length of the silver wire used. The area of each sector of the brooch, any one sector. See, it's equally placed. So we will do this easy question. They have given us that the diameter of the brooch is 35 mm. The diameter of the brooch is 35 mm. So radius is 35 by 2 mm. Length of silver wire used. Length of silver wire used is equal to circumference, because we had to make the circle, plus how many diameters? 5 diameters. 5 diameters. Circumference 2 pi r plus 5 into diameter is nothing but d. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 35 by 2 plus 5 into d, which is 35. 7 ones are 7 fives are, 2 ones are 2 ones are. 22 into 5, 110. 5 into 35, 175. Adding these two, we get 285 units millimeters. Now they have asked to find the area of each sector formed by the brooch. There are 10 equal sectors. There are 10 identical sectors. Therefore, angle of each sector is theta. What is this theta? Full is 360 degree. It is divided into 10 equal sectors. So I can say this theta is 360 by 10. Or in other words, theta is equal to 36 degree. Now the area of the sector, theta by 360 into pi r square. 36 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. We get 385 by 4 millimeter square. You have to be very careful with the units. See the question and follow what they have given. Question 10. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming the umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeters, find the area between the 2 consecutive ribs of the umbrella. See, they are telling you, assume this is not like a hemispherical shape, assume it's like a flat circle. It has 8 ribs. You have to find the area between 2 consecutive ribs. Means this one area of a sector basically. Same type of question. Each sector will have angle theta equal to 360 degree by 8. 360 by 8, 2 4s are, 2 180s are, 2 2s are, 2 90s are, 2 1s are, 45s are. 45 degree. Area of that sector, theta by 360 into pi r square. They have given that the radius of each part is 45 centimeter. 45 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 45 square. On simplifying this, we get 2275 by 28 centimeter square. Question 11. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeters sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So there are two blades here. Both of them have a length of 25 centimeters and they don't overlap. They sweep an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. They are not asking find the area swept by each blade. That means they are not asking only this area. They are asking total area swept by each sweep. When you're on the wipers, they sweep, come back, sweep, come back. So find the area of one sector and multiply it into 2. So the area of one sector, theta by 360 into pi r square. R is given as 25. 115 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 25 into 25. We get 158125 by 252 centimeters square. Total area is 2 into 158125 by 252. 1s are 2s are 6s are. 158125 by 126 centimeter square. Question 12. To warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of an angle of 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometers. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. See, this is the sea. We have some land here and there is a lighthouse over here. This lighthouse, what's happening here in this lighthouse is, we have a lighthouse here. This lighthouse is radiating light up to 16.5 kilometers at a sector angle of 80 degree. If any ship comes in this area, it knows, oh, there are underwater rocks here. So this is the area where the ships are warned. Therefore, direct question, area of the sector where it's warned is theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta 80 by 360 into 3.14 into r 16.5 square. On solving this, we get 189.97. Unit was kilometer, so this will be kilometer square. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the design at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. Redrawing this circle. So basically, there are 6 such sectors. Okay, 6 such segments. 6 segments. They want to find what is the cost of making this design. What we are going to do is, we are going to first find the area of one segment. First area of sector, then minus area of triangle. First we need to find this theta value. They have given the radius as 28 centimeters. So 6 equal designs. Area or angle subtended by each at center is equal to 360 degree by 6. That is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. So now we'll go in to find the area of the sector, then triangle, then segment. So area of the sector, theta by 360 into pi r square. In the question they have told take pi as 22 by 7 only because nothing's mentioned, and root 3 as 1.7. So theta is 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 28 square. We get 1232 by 3 centimeter square. Now we go for the area of the triangle. It's an equilateral triangle. So use root 3 by 4 a square. How is it equilateral? You have to give one or two statements like how we did in the previous questions. Root 3 given in the question 1.7. A is 28 divided by 4. On solving this we get 1666 by 5 centimeter square. Now area of single design. Area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector 1232 by 3 minus 1666 by 5. We now get 1162 by 15 centimeter square. Area of total design 1162 by 15 into 6 because there are 6 designs. We get 2324 by 5 centimeter square. Total cost for 1 centimeter square is 0.35. So for all of it together multiply these two. On multiplying and simplifying into its decimal value we get 162.68. Since it's money, rupees. Pick the correct answer in the following question. Area of a sector of angle P of a circle with radius r. So it is P by 360 into pi r square, right? Because angle is P and radius here is given as r. So this will be r square. So instead of theta you have P, instead of r you have capital R. Is any answer matching? P by 180 into 2 pi r, no. Pi r square, yes, but this is 360, 180, no. No. This answer let's try to get 720. So if I am putting a 2 here, I have to put a 2 here also. Then I get P into 2 pi r square by 720. Therefore, your answer is option